Hello everyone, my name is Leslie Mamani, and I'm glad to be here in order to present this research titled Virtual Screening on Natural Products from Peruvian Biodiversity for Discovering of the Protein Coupled Receptor MAS ligands. The SARS-CoV-2 virus infection process is related to the renin-angiotensin system because the virus binding to ACE2, which is a main component of this system, results in its availability reduction, causing RAS system disruption and also leading to vasoconstriction and pro-inflammatory activation. One of the components of RAS, which is the receptor MAS, is an endogenous receptor of angiotensin 1,7, being also a physiological antagonist of the angiotensin 2 type 1 receptor. It has been proposed that MAS agonist ligands could decrease RAS system disruption, exerting beneficial effects for patients, being a complementary tool in treatment of COVID-19. Therefore, the discovery of potential ligands of MAS is important, and natural products could be a valuable source for that purpose. In that way, we did a retrieval of target protein and ligands. So we use an AlphaFold model of MAS and a library of 507 natural compounds from Peruvian biodiversity. Then we process the protein and ligands using OpenBubble in order to do a virtual screening by 4 docking programs. To evaluate and select the ligands with the best affinity, we use the following decision tree, applying different criteria in VINA, LIDOC, and PLANT results. Finally, their pharmacokinetic properties and intermolecular interactions were analyzed. Regarding to the results, and as we can observe in this graphic, Autodoc didn't have a strong correlation to the results obtained by the other programs. On the other hand, VINA program got the most correlated docking results, so we decided to use them to continue the analysis. In this slide, we can see the heat map considering the 9 ligands with free energy binding values less than -9 kilocalories per mole as the best candidates for binding to MAS receptor. The analysis revealed that 2 of them satisfied Lipinski's rule, which were GCT 468, with 1 violation, and CPC 092, without any violation. In that way, it has an increased likelihood of high oral absorption. As we can see here, CPC 092 corresponds to mitrafilin, which is an alkaloid from Uncaria, or commonly known as uña de gato, also known for its anti-inflammatory, antiviral, immunostimulant, and antioxidant activity. Also, these graphics allow us to compare the pharmacokinetics properties of all of these compounds. Finally, as a summary of the intermolecular interactions between the ligands and MAS binding sites, tyrosine 248, 251, and 252 are the main amino acid residues associated with ligand binding. So we concluded that 9 compounds, most of them alkaloids, oleophenols, and flavonoids, could be potential MAS ligands. 2 of these compounds come from Uncaria or uña de gato, of which mitrafilin, which its code was CPC 092, showed good binding energy with favorable drug-like properties. Moreover, it is well known for its anti-inflammatory, antiviral, immunostimulant, and antioxidant activity. By the end of this presentation, I would like to thank for the support and funding provided by my university, and also to this program because of the opportunity given. Thank you.